Hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are thrifting myself a new summer wardrobe. I'm at a Salvation Army right now that's a little bit further away from my house than I usually go to, so I am going to go inside. I'll try to film on my camera. I can't really promise I'll be able to. I have my phone just in case, and let's hopefully find some summer clothes. Hello again. It's been a little bit since I filmed. Same day still, but the Salvation Army I was in had literally zero music playing, nothing. So it was painfully awkward to even film a Snapchat, let alone film for myself. So now I'm at a Savers and I'm gonna try my best to find some more stuff. I found a few things. Fingers crossed for a few items I found and got anyways, but let's go in. Unfortunately, I did not film as much as I would have liked to in there. It was just so busy, and every single aisle I went down had a person, and I'd rather not spend a ton of time like blurring them out and editing. So I didn't really film while I was in there. I found a ton of good stuff though. I'm so happy. But before I go home, I need to go to Target and get my Target pickup order because I ordered myself the Brat vinyl. So we're gonna go get it, and then we're going home to do the haul and try on portion of the video. Alright, so it's been a few days since I've gone thrifting. If I'm being honest, it's actually been like a week and a half. But I washed everything and I've worn a lot of things numerous times, so that's why it's taken me this long to film this portion of the video. There's a lot of home decor items that I also got that I definitely was not intending on thrifting, but I figured since it's like a portion of the video that wasn't going to be included, I'm going to include it anyways, of course. And I'm going to show you everything that I got right now, starting with the home decor. So starting with like the first home decor item that I saw, which is probably the reason why I was like, okay, I'll keep my mind open to this stuff, is this. It is a star like hanging outdoor decoration. Currently it's been just hanging in my plant cabinet, which I'm actually going to be moving into my sewing room soon. So I'm gonna have to redecorate it, and I was thinking about maybe possibly hanging some of the weird, interesting things that I have. So this one's giving much very 4th of July, which is coming up soon, which is why I think it was out on the shelves and available. She's dusty. She's dusty, so definitely need to clean her up before she goes outside. Very cute and decorative, and I have a lot of other hanging things like this that I don't know if I've shown in the past, but eventually, when I have my outdoor space finally figured out, I will be putting this outside. This little guy, I mean, come on. A frog, a lily pad, and mushrooms. This is too cute to pass up. Like, I literally, when I went into that Savers and saw this, I just about died and came back to life because she's so freaking cute. Like, so cute. Even with the green, like the pink eyes, just matches well. And I have another like ceramic set of mushrooms that matches this style of like pottery, but it's a different color. So these will be going outside in my garden at some point. Not sure when, but now that I showed you, I can definitely put this one outside. So another little ceramic piece that I got is a jack-o'-lantern. I definitely did not need this. Halloween is coming up though, and this is really like really precious. It's got like it's for tea light candles, so I thought this would be super cute to have and eventually put out for Halloween. I used to really decorate the house a lot when we first moved in, but then just things happen and I just get in my head and don't do things. So this year my goal is to at least decorate for Halloween if I don't do it for Christmas. So I did get something for that. Who is texting me? A few more random niche home decor items is this butterfly like trinket tray. I'm gonna probably put this in my bathroom so when I shower and stuff and I take my rings off, somewhere to just throw them in. I did get one more trinket dish. This one is a little seashell and it is also super duper cute. So I don't know which one I'm gonna put in the bathroom, if it's gonna be this one or this one, but it's gonna be one of them. And then like last random niche little thing is I got this really cool pin. I've never seen anything like this before, but it is a photo frame. So I have not put a photo in it yet. I really want to get like a bag. Maybe not get a bag, because I have like a denim bag. Denim bags are like supposed to be like a new trend or whatever. But what I really like about denim or canvas, I wouldn't be mad about canvas either, is that they're so easy to put pins in and out of. So like I would feel like more comfortable putting this on that than like trying to stab it through like a leather bag. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Also, I don't know if I like the color of denim bags enough to fully commit to a denim bag, but that's just me personally. I have a few denim like tote bags, so maybe I should just like try it with that and see. The point is that this is so cute and I can carry a photo of like me and Mark together everywhere with it. Oh, I'm so crazy. It's very niche and I've never seen anything like it before, and I really like how like the frame looks, and it's green, which is Mark's favorite color. Another thing that I got is this like little heart placemat thing. I actually, since my plant cabinet is gonna be going upstairs, I'm gonna be moving my record player and records on top of it. So I figured this could either go underneath my record player or underneath my records. Does that make sense? Yeah. So you'll probably see this in there in a future video. It is not done yet. It's a work in progress. I've just been very busy with my master's program that started like literally 2 weeks after I graduated with my bachelor's. So I've been having a fun time grappling the work with that and trying to be a YouTuber, you know? The last two home decor items I have to show you before we move on to clothing is these two photo frames. If you've watched my videos in the past, I've actually thrifted very similar photo frames from the exact Savers like 3 years ago. So these are the ones that I just got. So it's this yellow one with pressed flowers in the top and obviously area for a photo. And then this blue one, which, oh my God, this blue glass is beautiful. Like just look at her. And then just so you can see what I'm talking about, these are the other two that I thrifted at this exact same thrift store that actually have pictures currently in them. So this one, picture of me and Mark, and then this one with two other pictures of me and Mark. So as you can see, like, I hold these all at once. So as you can see, they literally all go together. So I definitely want to rearrange my little stand thing that I've put together and decorated on camera for you guys. I don't know if I'll do that as a video or not. Honestly, we'll see. Maybe, if there's interest. When I saw these, I was like, oh my God, I was shaking. I looked up and down, because I only saw one at first. I only saw the blue one at first. And I was like, oh my God, I need to see if there's any other ones. And then I found the yellow one, like tucked away. Oh my, it was meant to be, you guys. It was meant to be. That's how you know it was meant to be. So now that we got through the fun home decor items, we can go through the clothing. Obviously, I found a few items for Mark, my husband, which I'm gonna share very quickly with you. Mostly because I'm really happy with what I found for him. So one is this Corvette shirt. Needed this for Mark, and I've worn it a few times already. I really like it. It's a super nice, like, thick t-shirt, and the graphic is super cute. Whoever Newport Blue is, they made it. Mark isn't allowed to wear some of these shirts to work, by the way, because he has a tendency to just like shred his shirts while working. I don't get it. Actually, I do get it. He's a hard worker, and that's the problem. He needs to relax a little. I also found him this car shirt, which it has his actual favorite type of Mustang on it, which is hilarious. because I didn't know this was his favorite type of Mustang. I just got it. And then the last item I got for Mark was this Carhartt like mint green shirt. I honestly think he's already stained it at work. Yeah, he already stained it, but he's a boy, so he can be forgiven. And I only paid $1.99 for it, so I also like don't really feel bad that it got stained already. And it's his clothes, he can do what he wants. But now we'll get into my clothes. All right, so we're gonna start with dresses. I don't think I filmed much in some of the thrift stores I was in just because of how busy some of them were, and I just don't want to film people without their consent. And also I don't feel 100% comfortable filming, at least with my big camera, in public. I really want to invest in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but that's a hefty investment. So for now, we do what we can, and we try to get over the anxiety behind it. Anyways, I found a ton of dresses in the last Savers that I went to, and this is one of them. It is this really pretty patterned, like lightweight material. I guess baby doll-esque, because it's only like tight at the top where it's like stretchy. I do think I want to add like some waist ties or something to it, or shorten it or something. Or maybe I don't know, there's something about it that I just don't 100% love about how it fits on the top. So I'm thinking like maybe I should do something different with it. I don't know, we'll see. But I do like it. It's super lightweight and it's comfortable to wear around and not be all sweaty in. So the next two dresses are halter dresses. This one I like because it's a little tight. It's actually really tight. Like the most bodycon dress I've ever tried on ever. But I do like it in a way because I can tuck it up underneath itself and wear it as like a normal just halter top. And I don't feel like uncomfortable or anything like that. So this was a good pickup. I also really like this color, I think, on me. I don't know. I need to like do like a color analysis thing. That'd be a fun video to try to do. But I also don't really understand how to do that. So if you have good resources for that, let me know in the comments. But I got this halter dress, super cute, super tight all the way down. Then I found this one, and this is one from, I think, Garage, is it? Where's the tag? Yeah, this is from Garage, and it's like a much more like slinkier ribbed material than the other one, and it's tie at the top. And honestly, I like these blue colors better, but I've been really getting into halters because I thrifted a white halter from American Eagle, and it's changed my freaking life. I forgot how much I liked halter tops. When I was younger, they were very popular, like really little. They were popular, and I would get hand-me-downs a lot from my stepmom's best friend's kids, and they were like cool girls, so they had like all the cool clothes. I had much longer legs than them, so a lot of their stuff was high waters on me. But the point of the story is there was a lot of cute halter tops in there, and I used to wear the everlasting shit out of them. So I'm happy that I remembered I like these kind of tops, because why did I stop wearing them? Probably because I was too self-conscious, but anyways. Okay, so the next thing is a little bit questionable because I didn't realize it's kind of damaged. First of all, it's missing a button, and there's like a lot of strings. I thought this could be like a super cute like mini like button down A-line dress, and then I went home and was like, what is this? There's slits in the side. She's shredded. So I think this would be a great basis to thrift flip like into a vest top, because I really want one, and I like this material. It's super lightweight, and I think that this could make a cute vest. Also, it was on my video list of videos to make, so the fact that I thrifted this and it didn't end up being the vision I wanted it to be, but I have a new vision for it now. So stay tuned. I'll probably make this a video. Don't know when, so I can't promise that, but stay tuned because she will likely be transformed. Also, I don't know why I thought that this could be a dress because it's super short. Like, what was I thinking? This one, I guess, is a little bit questionable because it's a lingerie top, but my vision for it is to use it for part of like a Renaissance fair type of costume that I want to make, and I do also want to make that into a video. So I thought that this would be a good layering piece for that, and it is this white top. It has like this open detail right in between the boobs with a bow. So I thought that this would be great because the bottom hem is giving like fairy vibes, right? So like imagine this with something on top, fairy vibes, elf vibes, I don't know. Obviously I would never wear this as is out. It would be so inappropriate. But an appropriate top on top should be cute. There's a vision there, I think. I don't know, let me know if you see my vision. So next, let me show you my thrifting disappointment. And I've come up with a solution, but I really need to start forcing myself to just try things on at the thrift store, even if there's no dressing rooms. I bought one of those like little one-piece suit things. It's like the top and bottoms together, like a onesie, but like a sumo wrestler outfit as well. Anyways, I could not leave these at the thrift store. These are American Eagle. Look at this tag. Like cargo-y jeans. So the thing is that they do fit, but like I can't breathe in them. This is just like a fun little tank top from Hollister that I thrifted. It is a nice like lavender purple, super duper soft. Super soft. I love it. I feel like I can't come up with any other good words for anything for that matter. This top, honestly, I don't know if I'll really wear this in public. I mostly got it because it's like, it's very much brat. If you know, you know. It's also very much booby. So it is a very low cut. And I am a person who's just never worn stuff like that out. I want to get more comfortable wearing stuff like that because, don't get me wrong, the top does fit cute. But the thing is I think just because I think it's extra small. No, this is small. Just with this seaming under the boobs, it just, the material, it rides up. Like if it was a medium, it'd probably fit perfect, but also it'd probably fit just a little too loose in the top. So I guess you wouldn't see me lose some, but I do love this a lot. It's just, I get nervous to wear this kind of stuff out in public. Okay, one more item that's very much brat vibes, I guess, is this neon lime green. Like it's not even showing the right color on here. This looks like minty green on camera or whatever, but it is like an obnoxious lime green. And it's like a textured, like that weird textured material that it is or whatever. I thought it was really cool because of how vibrant it was, and I really enjoy how neons look at me. In many of my past like fashion and styling videos, I've been on like a journey to try to figure out what my actual personal style is and like what clothes I personally like to wear and feel comfortable in. And it's been quite the journey because I feel like the days that I do work on it, it's great, and the days that I don't, I just feel like shit. So I've been working on it. Can't always win them all. So yeah, that's the whole reason why I have a neon green tank top. This item I thrifted because I've never actually seen this brand in person. This is an Opali top. It's like a high neck crop top with ruching and these ties. Oh my god, this top looks so good on. Like, I feel like this top looks unnaturally good on, and I don't even wear stuff like that, you know what I mean? But I could just like imagine it with like a black mini skirt and like, okay, imagine like a medallion kind of silver belt with it and like a lot of jewelry. That'd be cute. See, the thing is I have a great vision for styling, but I just have no means to do it for me. But where there's a will, there's a way, and my goal this year is to do more of that. Hopefully this is actually finally, because I've washed everything and worn it a few times and I can't remember if I'm forgetting anything. But this is like a little bit out of season. This is a Vans like long sleeve, but it's super cute. And then look at the back. Bunny on a mushroom. And it was like pristine. Like it looked like it had only had like the tag ripped off when I got it. Alrighty, and that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this kind of thrift with me, thrift try on haul. I definitely have a lot more fashion videos in the works that I'm going to be working on soon and hopefully getting out. I am in the middle of a grad program that is accelerated, that is going on throughout the summer. So hopefully with that and on top of my actual job I work, I can keep up with the big ideas that I have that I want to execute and bring to you guys. That's just a long-winded way of saying thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!